welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marie and I'm so glad that you clicked on today's video. It is finally the fall time, which is absolutely my favorite season of the year. Of course, I love summer because of the warm weather, but when fall comes around, there's just so many festivities for it that I absolutely love. And one of those things is the baking. I will be starting a new series on my channel on fall baking, so make sure to subscribe to see those future treats that I will be sharing with you guys. And of course, they will all be healthy recipes. So I've made sure to use all healthy ingredients. The different ingredients that I'll be showing you today all have so many healthy benefits for you. So if you are living a healthy lifestyle or if you're trying to lose weight, this will definitely be great for you. If you're excited for fall and if you're excited to see today's video, give it a big thumbs up and of course subscribe to my channel to see all my future videos. I do post twice a week on Mondays and on Thursdays, and I post all kinds of videos all on health and wellness. So yeah, if you want to see how to make these amazing apple oatmeal cookies, then make sure to go ahead and keep on watching. So the first thing you want to do is of course preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, and also just prepare your pan so that it's ready for later. So first we'll go ahead and start off by mixing the dry ingredients. I will have the ingredients all listed below in the description box in case you guys did miss it, and I'll also try to link as much products as I can down below for you guys as well. The first ingredient that you will need is 1 cup of instant oats. I have already pre-measured it here, so we'll just go ahead and put that into our bowl. The next ingredient you need is flour. Now, of course, you can use white all-purpose flour, but it just isn't the healthiest for you. So what I recommend is using different types. So you can use almond flour or coconut flour. I decided to go ahead and use oat flour. I have been using oat flour a ton the past year because it is so healthy for you and it's just so easy to make. It's not something that you have to go out and buy. All you need to do is take your oats and blend them up in your blender until they become very finely milled. You can go ahead and buy a whole bag of normal oats that you would use to make oatmeal. Go ahead and blend these up and put them into a container, and anytime you need flour, just go ahead and use this oat flour. So now you will go ahead and put 3/4 cup of this oat flour into your bowl. The next thing you'll need is 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. Next, a little pinch of salt. You really don't need that much. That's it. Next, you need cinnamon. Lots of it. I personally love it. Did you know that cinnamon is actually so healthy for you? It is packed with antioxidants. It has anti-inflammatory properties. It can help speed up your metabolism. There are just so many benefits to cinnamon. I actually also love to put it in my coffee in the morning for the same reasons. So just go ahead and put lots in here. That's it for the dry ingredients. Go ahead and just mix that up. Now let's go ahead and put this bowl aside and we'll take another bowl to mix up the more liquid ingredients. The first ingredient that you will need here is unsalted butter. Now, of course, that isn't the healthiest for you, so my alternative to that is actually coconut oil. Here I do have 2 tablespoons of organic coconut oil, and I use this trick all the time. Even if I want to fry certain things on a pan, I always go ahead and use coconut oil. Coconut is just so good for you and has so many healthy benefits. Now I'll just go ahead and melt this in the microwave and we'll put it directly into our bowl. All right, now that it's melted, let's go ahead and put it in there. Next, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and finally, you will need 1/2 cup of maple syrup. This and the apples is what will make these cookies sweet. We are not adding extra white sugar because, of course, that is just not healthy for you. Maple syrup is one of the best sugars that you can have. Of course, you can replace this with honey or agave, whatever you prefer. I always love to put maple syrup when I'm cooking. So we'll just put that in here. And now we'll just go ahead and mix this all up. Once that is well blended together, you can go ahead and start pouring your flour into here. You want to do this gradually. Finally, you'll go in with the star ingredient, which is of course apple. You want to make sure to use a red apple, and you need about a cup of it. So that's about a medium apple, I would say. I'll be honest, I didn't measure this to the T. I just cut it up. And I also just wanted to mention here that I don't cut them up too small. Of course, you don't want some big chunks, but I do like to cut up these little cubes because when I am eating my cookie, I like to have that little crunch. So yeah, just slice up your favorite red apple, whatever the type may be. I know there are so many different kinds of apples. Just make sure that it is red and put that right in here. Make sure not to get any seeds. Now I went ahead and put a saran wrap around my bowl, and I'm actually going to let this chill in the fridge for about 30 minutes, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, we are back. Now let's just go ahead and do the fun part, which is just put them into balls, place them on your pan, and then put them in the oven. So what I like to do is just take this little cup here. It's a half cup. I did wash my hands because of course I will be touching them and trying to perfectly place them. Oh, you guys, this smells amazing. I do like to make my cookies nice and big and chewy, so that's why I only made 9 of them. But if you like to have them smaller, then of course go ahead and just separate the portions in even smaller. Now I'll just put this in the oven for 13 to 15 minutes. Make sure to keep an eye on them. And yeah, I'll be right back when they're done. And there we have it, our healthy oatmeal apple cookies. So I did let them cool off for 15 minutes before putting them onto here. I can't tell you guys how amazing these taste, and I'm just sure you will love them. Make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for the rest of the fall healthy treats that I will be baking for you guys. I'm going to try to put one up every single week for the month of October. I already have some ideas, but if you guys want something specifically, please let me know in the comments below, and I'll see if I can make that recipe healthy for you guys, and of course I will do it. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this, please give it a big thumbs up. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll just catch you guys in the next one. Bye!